Understand how we can assign variables in Python language. First of all, let me tell you what is variable. Variable is basically a container which can store our data type. Data types are like integer, which is number value, floats, which are number value with decimal points, and strings, which are statement, letter, or anything, a word. And we can name our variable whatever we want. For this example, I will name my variable as x, and I will assign a value of 3, the number 3. And to check the type of data type it contains, I will say type, and in parentheses between two brackets I will give my variable name, which is x. After doing that, it will show that my data type is integer, which is correct because I have stored a number value, and number value is basically integers. After that, I will go ahead and say my variable name is y, and I will assign a value of 2.1, a decimal value of 2.1. And to check the type of data type y has, I will say type, and in parentheses I will say y, and this will show us float, which is correct because I have stored a decimal value in y, which is known as float in programming. Now with strings, we have to be careful because we have to write strings between two quotes, and that's how system will understand that this is a string value. If you don't put a quote, it will give you an error because it will not understand what kind of data type it is. So I will say x is equals to, in quotation, test, and I will say type to check the data type, and in parentheses x. And yes, it will show a string because I have put my data between two quotations, which is a string value. And if you're thinking what will happen to the above x, if this is not an example, and if I was writing some code in which I was using x and x again, so in that case, the value of previous x, which is 3, will get overwritten by a new value, which is test. So for example, it is right, but don't do this in a real program because it will override the previous value to the newer value. So after that, let's go ahead and I will show you that I can literally name anything my variable. So I will go ahead and name first underscore string underscore variable, and I will assign a value of test. And I will go ahead and I will create one more variable, and let's say first underscore integer underscore variable, and I will assign 612, a number value. Let's now print this. And to print some variable, all you have to do is say print, and in parentheses just give a variable name. To print first underscore string underscore variable, I will say print first underscore string underscore variable, and to print first underscore integer underscore variable, I will say print, in parentheses, first underscore integer underscore variable. And I will execute it, and for sure it will print test, which is our first underscore string underscore variable value, and 612, which is our first underscore integer underscore variable value. And that's how we assign and print variables in Python language.